Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Foetron Academy. My name is Harshvats, and this is the Beginner's Guide Part 2, in which we will explore the Edit section in our Google slide. With this point, we will move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, I will tell you how to use undo, redo, cut, copy, paste without formatting, delete and make duplicate, and how to use select all and find and replace function in our edit section. So with this point we will move on to the slides and see how all this function work in our Google Slides. Now we are in Google Slides. In earlier video I have talked about the file section in which I have briefly described every point that is given in the file section. In this video I will talk about the edit section in which I have told you about the objective that we will talk about everything that is available in our edit section. Let's start with undo and redo. What these functions do actually, it's the one step forward or one step backward. Redo is one step forward and undo is one step backward. For example, now let's select this and just delete it. Now, by mistake I have done that. I want it back. So you can go to edit section, you can do the undo. So we have just got the step backward. Now I have just got a step backward and I want to step forward. So in that case I want to redo. That means it will again delete that. So you can also use the shortcut like Ctrl Z for undo and Control Y for redo. So apart from this, we have another option, cut, copy and paste, which is the most common function that everybody use. Like for example, I want to cut this, Control and X, that is cut, Control and V, that is paste. And now I want to copy this, just select this, Control C and spacebar, Control V. So this is paste. So if you want to just delete them, you just kindly click on delete. So these are all functions that are available in our edit section. Now we have a paste without formatting. So when you paste, certain times you can do it without formatting also. Like certain changes that you have done, you do not want that those changes to the paste where you have done. So in that case you just paste without formatting. So if you have just put in any numbering or any symbols, that will be removed as soon as you paste it without formatting. So you can delete this now. After this we have the duplicate section. Now I want to duplicate this bar that I've selected. Now just click on duplicate. Now you will see it just make a duplication of what has been already there. Now if I paste it here, now you see it is completely duplicate of the profile that was earlier. Now the new profile has been generated which is exactly duplicate. And now I will just make it beta. So like this you can make changes by making a duplicate, which will be very useful. You don't have to copy and paste, but the duplicates will also paste the formatting, which will be very helpful for you in a long term. Now let's delete this and we will move on to the another topic, that is select all. Now I want to select all. You can use this feature or you can click on keyboard shortcut, that is Control and A. Just by clicking on it, you will select all the things that are available in particular slide. In case if you want to select those things which are available in whole the slide, in that case you just click here and click on Control A. All the slides will be selected using this feature. After this we have a find and replace function. When you click in, you will see find what I want to find. If there is certain S, anywhere there is S, kindly replace it with F. Foetron Academy. So just click on next. So you will see wherever the S was, it will be replaced with Foetron Academy. I know it doesn't make sense in here, but you can change as many as by finding and replacing the option. I just want to say that how this function works, you can use in detail. Like from here, you can see if there is any date that is written like this, it will be converted into 2020 21. So this will be change that can be done using the find and replace section. With this point, everything in our edit section has been covered up. If there is anything that remains, kindly comment down below. We will get back to you. So with this point, we are going to end this video, and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video has been anyway, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good and amazing day.